Dear children, in the last class we learnt how to write informal letter and the format for informal letter. Today I will teach you the format for formal letter. When you write to any officers or any complaint letter or to the news editor, you will follow the formal letter format. When you write to any unknown person, there also you will use this formal letter format. Here I have written the format for the formal letter. You have to strictly follow this. There are some points you should remember when you write any formal letter. As we have followed some of the format for the informal letter, here also you should follow some of the format for the formal letter. And it is some part they are different from informal letter. Let us see what are the rules to follow and the points to remember. First and the foremost thing is you should write all the thing, whatever you want to write should be from the left part, that means next to the margin. You will start from the top corner, left top corner. You will write your address, and this address should be only in 4 lines, not more than 4 lines. In that you will write your door number, street name and number, and the locality, and also the city name. After writing your address, you will leave 1 line, and after leaving 1 line, you will write the date in which you are writing the letter. As it is 17, I have written TH after the number, and this is must. You should write TH or RD or ND or ST. It depends on the date. And that TH or ND, RD, ST, whatever you are writing, should be on the line. That is called subscript, not above the number. After that, you will write the name of the month. The month name should be in full form, not any short form. Like August, you cannot write AUG. You should write the full spelling for the month name. After, you should put this comma there. This is one of the important thing to remember. If you have missed this comma, the mark which is allotted for this will be deducted, will not be given to you. So you should keep it in your mind. The next thing, you should write the year in full. If you write only 20, there also you will not get mark for this. And after writing this, you will leave a line. And after leaving a line, you will begin to whom you are addressing this letter. And that you will directly write. If you are writing a letter to the principal, the principal. If you are writing the letter to the manager, the manager. Commissioner, the commissioner. Or any inspector of police, the inspector of police. Like that you should address directly. And whomever you are writing this letter, their address should be written here below there. Whatever you are addressing, to whomever you are addressing, below that you will write the office address of theirs, and that also should not be more than 4 lines. And after that you will leave a line over there. After leaving a line, you will addressing them. Now you can write dear sir, or if you are addressing any lady, there you can write madam. After that you put a comma there, and this comma is again important. If you forget to put this comma there, then your mark which is allotted for this line will be deducted. You will not get any mark for this line. Every part of the format has its number to be given. So for everything they will put a tick and give mark. For address, separate number. For the dates and month, the separate number. The address for the people whom you are writing, separate number. And this address also having separate number. So you will put this comma. Then leave one line, begin the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you will mention for what reason you are writing this letter from the question. In the question it will be asked, you will write this letter to the this person, that person, and complaining or requesting, whatever it is. So that should come in the first paragraph. And before you mention the reason for what you are writing this letter, you should begin the letter with a polite form. That is very, very important. That will affect your letter. That will give you more effect to your letter. So when you begin the letter for any officer or any principal or manager, you will begin it in this way. I would like to. And then there you will write that. The sentence from the question. That should be in the first paragraph. And then leave a line, second paragraph. In the second paragraph, the reason what makes you to write this letter. More than 4 points you should mention. At least 5 points you will mention it in the second paragraph. And leave a line, third paragraph. Now come to the third paragraph. It should, you should write again a positive note. With a positive note you will end the letter. That we should be in the third paragraph. And leave a line, and then you will write yours faithfully. Keep it in your mind. Here no lovingly. Yours faithfully, then put a comma there. So 3 commas should be there in your letter. You should keep it in your mind. After faithfully you put a comma, and below that your full name, not only your first name. In the informal letter I told you that you will write your first name only. Here you will write the full name. Whatever the surname you have, that also you will mention there. So this is the format for the informal letter. This is the format for the formal letter. So follow all the points which I have set it here. So to get the full mark, you should follow this format.